Hey everybody, long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. What are you up to here?
Well, I'm just getting ready for a new listing and we've spent the day staging this house. So feel free to take a tour around.
Yeah, it looks very pretty. And you did all this?
We sure did, yes. My assistant Jennifer and I. We come in 9:30 in the morning and then we usually takes about 5 hours to get something like this done.
Wow.
Yeah.
So what happens to the stuff that was here before?
Well, generally we ask the sellers to kind of sort of take all their belongings in the home and give me a blank palette so I can work with. So we bring in the artwork, we bring in the pillows and blankets. Some of the furniture is theirs.
Yeah, it's very clean, very appealing.
Yeah.
Like very welcoming.
Yeah.
And then they have this nice sort of pool. Is that their pool? That is
That's
their pool.
pool, yeah. Fantastic, in-ground saltwater heated pool.
Wow. And this is, what is this neighborhood we're in right now? Like,
We're in Pioneer Park.
Pioneer
I think,
Park.
Wandering Dave, we should do a video about Pioneer Park as our next drive-by.
Okay, sure.
Why don't we go upstairs? We can take a look at the
Okay.
rooms decorated upstairs. I'll meet you up there.
Okay.
Yeah, so this home offers 4 bedrooms. Yeah, and so all the bedrooms have been staged.
So someone is going to come and film this again,
Yes.
and that will be like a more formal video, I guess. Like this
Yeah.
is sort of like the informal.
This is our informal.
And then there's a formal one. How long does it take him to do that?
Oh, probably about 20 minutes. And I'll be on camera today showcasing this house because it's a larger home. We should shut the windows.
So did you pick these curtains even?
Yep, these are my curtains as well.
And where they're just in storage until you need them, I guess?
Yeah, we store everything. You guys have seen my video. Access storage is where we house everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is the primary bedroom as well.
Very beautiful.
Okay. And we got a throwback bathroom back to the 80s, 70s, 80s.
Yeah, it looks like a old school kind of bathroom. I like this kind of bathroom. It's very cozy. It's got this sort of like whatever that enamel kind of sink is.
Yeah.
Very nice view of sort of a bit of a valley over there or something. Like it kind of dips down and there's.
Yeah, there's a couple neighbors who have ponds. We can go outside.
Okie dokie.
And you can see
Yeah, sure.
awesome backyard.
Look at this tree. This must be a pretty old tree.
Stunning.
I bet that's like 100 years old.
Wow, eh?
And so what does a place like this go for?
Well, that's what we're going to decide on.
Okay.
Haven't landed on a price yet.
So it's between you and the owner, obviously.
Yep. Yep.
And you have to
But it's
determine.
going on the market on Thursday. That is tomorrow.
Okay.
I guess I better figure out a price.
Yeah, better figure out a price. And then, so how long does it usually take to sell a place like this? Maybe just guesstimating.
Well, we're hoping it's going to take under 2 weeks to sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, depending on where we price it.
Right.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Very cool.
Okay, the towels in there. This coffee cup's gotta go. I'll take it. Okay. Looks great. Yeah, finish your Jen's got
Yeah, it's no worries.
Okay, try it again.
That's no worries. It looks great. It looks good though.
Nestled in the heart of Pioneer Park. Welcome to my newest listing at 67 Lower Canada Crescent. Come on inside. I'll show you around.
Yeah.
As well, a separate dining room, and check out the kitchen, fully updated with granite counters and stainless appliances.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's a nice area and everything too.
It is.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's great.
Welcome to the backyard.
Are you gonna do an outro too, or
A what?
an outro?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where would you like me to do that?
Anywhere you want, honestly.
Maybe down by the pool.
Okay. Yeah. That'd be great.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome to the backyard. Spend most of your summer back here with this huge lot with mature trees and in-ground saltwater heated pool offering diving board and slide for the whole family to enjoy. And check out the size of the yard. Pool in shot or me sitting, or what do you want to do? How close do you want to be?
Yeah, I guess pool and shot would be nice. Yeah, for sure.
On pool?
Yeah.
On dive board?
Yeah, that's actually perfect. Yeah, that's awesome.
This beautiful home. My name's Elaine Keller, sales representative with RE/MAX Solid Gold. If you're interested in taking a view of this property and want to take a plunge, reach out. My name's Elaine Keller and I'm a sales representative with RE/MAX Solid Gold. I look forward to hearing from you. Saltwater pool. Backyard offers easy maintenance, and check out the forestry behind you. Secluded, private, and sun all day. A 3-piece ensuite for you to enjoy.
Great.
The upper floor offers 3 additional bedrooms and a 4-piece family bath. Finished for your family to sit, enjoy movie night, or take in a gym corner. And beside the gym area, there's a 3-piece bath and fully finished laundry room. Thank you for touring this lovely home with me. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Elaine Keller, sales representative with RE/MAX Solid Gold. If you're interested in taking a plunge into this opportunity, reach out anytime.